Need to rotate data from columns to rows? Excel's Transpose feature makes this incredibly easy. It quickly switches data from columns to rows or rows to columns, depending on the layout required. To begin, select the entire range of data. Press Ctrl+C to copy the selection. Then move to a blank area of the worksheet where the rotated table should be placed. On the Home tab, open the Paste menu and choose Paste Special. In the dialog box, enable the Transpose option and confirm with OK. The table is instantly transformed into the rotated layout. The classes that appeared across the columns now move to the left, and the students that were listed down the left side are now displayed across the top. Now, let's try transposing an Excel table. Select the data, go to the Home tab, choose Format as Table, and pick a table style from the dialog box. Once the data has been converted to a table, copy the entire table and open the Paste Special dialog box. If the data is stored as an Excel table, the Transpose option will not appear in Paste Special. In this situation, the table can be converted back to a normal range, or the Transpose function can be used to rotate the data. The Excel Transpose function flips a range by converting rows to columns and columns to rows. The Transpose formula creates a dynamic result that updates whenever the original data changes, while Paste Special creates a static copy. Both methods are helpful, one for linked, update-ready layouts, and the other for fixed, unchanging output. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.